Hi guys, today we are going to make this dot mandala wall hanging. So firstly we're going to cover the cake board with buckram sheet, and now I'm going to paint it first for the base as black. Then using compass I have taken the center and I'm going to make a circle. Now I don't have those dot mandala tools, so I'm going to use this pen, its front and back side, like this. Make some dots. Again, using the tip of the pen, I'm going to make one line of white. Now the next with orange. And now I need to make some bigger dots, so I have taken this pen with the bigger circumference of its end, like this. I'm going to make again white line, and now I'm using this magenta shade. Then after, to make the bigger dots, I have taken this glue gun stick. I'm going to place one mirror in its center and it's done. It was looking very pretty. Now let's make the second one. For the second one also, firstly I have taken one leaf cut on cardboard and I'm going to make some random designs over it. You can make any design you want to. We are not going to cover it because I want the base to be brown only. Like the combination of brown and black will go very nice. So I'm just going to make this random designs, and similarly I have made 5 like these. Now I have taken one small circle of cardboard and I'm going to make some patterns. This is very soothing to your brain. You can definitely try it. So I'll make all the patterns in this manner only. And now for the second layer I'm going to color it again. To make the bigger circle now, I have already taken the sheet, cut off the same size of it, and now I'm going to take this as the center point. So I make many random circles of different sizes and radius, and I'm going to just make again different mandala patterns. So this one is also ready. Let's move ahead on our last wall hanging. Again I have taken a cake board and I have covered it with buckram sheet. I'm going to paint it with black acrylic color as its base, and then again I have taken this pen. The first one that I have made was multicolor, but this time I'm going to use only blue shades, like this. I'm going to make random patterns, and this was also ready. Now I have taken this small cardboard pieces. I have taken total 3 like these, and randomly I'm going to make the same design on it. So this one also ready. I have attached it with cellotape as its back. And thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.